guys on how to install Logic Pro on MacBook. So let's get started. Now first you need to check your system requirements, so go click on the Apple logo and about this Mac. Now from here you'll have to make sure that your Mac OS is at least Ventura or above. So for me it's well over Ventura, so that's good enough. And then make sure you either have an Intel processor, for me as you can see I have Intel, or you have a Silicon, which is basically M1, M2 or an M3 chip, yeah? Then you'll have to make sure that you have enough storage, so you can just go to General, then Storage, and right here you need to at least have 70 GB because Logic Pro plus the sound libraries are very high in storage, so just make sure that you have enough. Now once you've checked out all these three things, you can just go over to App Stores and you can search up Logic Pro. Now here, as you can see, the app is right there. Now if you've already purchased it before, you can just go ahead and download it. But if it's your first time, you'll obviously have to purchase it and then you can download it. You can also see that it tells you which Mac OS it requires, so you can just go ahead and match this number in the about this Mac and right there, yeah. So I think I'm not eligible for this because I haven't updated my Mac yet, because there is a software update but I haven't updated it yet. So yeah, now once you've downloaded it, you can just go ahead to your launchpad and search up Logic Pro, and yeah, you're good to go. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.